Hey y'all, it's your girl Scott from Lissy's House Academy, and help me do my unboxing of my Amazon haul. So yes, they put everything in front of the front door. Y'all couldn't even get out. Okay, like that was just ridiculous, but glad it came on time. So this is one of the items I got. It is a container that you're able to put the solutions or whatever you want to put in there. So, and it comes with the labels. So I put some olive oil in there, and it comes with a little funnel, all that. So it's like really, 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 really good. Y'all see it. And don't come for my hands. They was ashy. Don't come for me. Okay, I was in the kitchen putting all my stuff in, and whoever said gold on my post, the color was gold. So anybody who was in the gold, I got something for y'all. So I poured everything up in there. Listen, y'all, this is a long pour. Y'all see my robe. Pretty Little Thing. Oh, no, not Pretty Little. Yeah, it's called Pretty Little Thing. That website. That's where I got it from. Pretty Little Thing. So I know a few people ask me, where did I purchase it? That's where I got it. Okay, so that's the little sticky. And so they're really cute, fancy writing on it. And you just stick it right on the bottle. Got that going on right there. Look at that. That's so cute. So it's really cute, really modern. I'm just trying to spruce up my kitchen. Look at that. It's so cute. Okay, so I went with gold. This was the gold set. I got 20 piece for like 16 bucks on Amazon. Then I came and got my seasonings. I wanted to take the seasonings and put them in those jars. Y'all see me. That was my intermission when I had to go to Walmart and they're acting a fool. But yes, this was the outcome of the jars, and I put them in the cabinet, and they look so cute, so clean, and I love it. Another gold piece I got was the paper towel holder, which was gold. And so y'all see it, it's real cute. Okay, slide that on down there. Yeah, so connect with your girl. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe.